Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Economics problems are fast to solve using the balanced budget multiplier rule. Let's find the shift in aggregate demand together. First, we calculate the spending multiplier by taking 1 divided by 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. With an MPC of 0.75, our spending multiplier is exactly 4. Next, we find the tax multiplier, which is negative MPC divided by 1 minus MPC. That gives us negative 3. Multiplying both by 200 billion shows the individual impact of each. Finally, add the $800 billion increase to the $600 billion decrease. This leaves a $200 billion net increase, making option D correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch your signs and follow the steps to avoid mistakes. Great job!